Good morning, Year 9. I'm away at an in-service for the day, so I won't be there for the lesson. Let's get rid of that notice. So this is what I'd like you to do. The lesson should be in two parts. In the first part, I want you to have a look at the booklet and continue working through that. And once you've done that in the first half, then spend the second half of the lesson at work on your social justice report. So we'll look at beyond justice, of course. So then we want to have a look at where we are in the booklet. So what we've covered so far, we go through this, get rid of these notices that keep popping up. We want to go through here. We've done these parts here, so we'll move quickly through this. What I do want you to review that you've had a look at slavery and answered these questions on it. I know we should have done that, but want you to make sure that you have and answered the questions here. Rewatch the video. And we all love chocolate, there's no doubt about that. So I want you to make sure that you've had a look at the video. The link works. I know that link works, so that's fine. We go, so you can have a look at that video. That's not an issue. Then I want you to answer these questions in your booklet. In your booklet, some of you have already finished these, and that's fine. And then the story on Myanmar, which has been in the news over the last few years. And then of course, the principles of the Church's Catholic social teaching. Right? You need to know these for the test and for the exam. The dignity of the human person. This is the first one. We're all made in the image and likeness of God. Every single person, no matter who you are, where you're born, and where you come from. So you are checking your way through these, reading this and answering these questions. Now, some people have already done this, but I know quite a few of you have not. So I want you to be up to here, and then we're going to have a look at the natural law, human dignity and the natural law. Now, there, as in many issues, there's often discussions and disagreements as to what the natural law is and how it should apply. So we're going to be working our way through these. Okay, and answering these questions. And then the common good, excuse me, the common good, I want you to work your way through these as well and answer the questions as appropriate. So that's for the first part of the lesson. And then for the second part of the lesson, you can be working your way through the social justice report. Now, each of those tiles here has each of the tiles here has a point relating to those points in the booklet. Okay, so you can go through these here. Essentially, the one here relates to that. Dignity of the human person, right? Natural law, the common good, and so on. So in summary, today's lesson, two parts. First part, working through your booklet, and the second part, working through your social justice report. Okay, thanks. Have a great day and a good weekend. See you next week. Bye.